Welcome to BreakoutEDU. This is the setup video for Race to the Hogwarts Scavenger Hunt Cup, created by Catherine Jakovich. The story. Hurry! Harry, Ron, and Hermione need your help. Professor McGonagall just announced that the 4 houses in Hogwarts will be racing to win the annual House Scavenger Hunt. And each house of Hogwarts, Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, Slytherin, and Gryffindor, there is a hidden key that must be found. You will need to put your magic and math skills to the test to find them. When all 4 keys are found, they can be used to unlock Professor Dumbledore's corridor, where the House Scavenger Hunt Cup and 1,000 house points are waiting. Time is running out. You must help Harry, Ron, and Hermione win the house hunt and the glory. Grab your wands and your math-knowing noggins, and let's go! For this breakout, you will need various boxes, other kit items, as well as locks and some printouts. For the boxes, you will need both the large and the small breakout box. You will need the hasp and the reflection cards too. For the locks, you will be using 5 different locks. For the 3-digit lock, the code is 528. For the 4-digit lock, the code is 8059. For the ABC multi-lock, the code is VALOR, VALOR. For the color lock, the code is yellow, green, red, pink. And for the key lock, you will need to put the key inside of the small box, as you will see later. You will also eventually need to print out some resources, like the puzzles and a couple helpers. You can find those linked on this slide. It will bring you to a Google Drive folder where you can find those printouts easily and access them for yourself. You can also find them on the OER website page for this breakout. Now we will move on to the game overview. You will start by printing out the end victory sign and reflection cards and place those in the large box. Then you will set the locks. The 3-digit, 4-digit, ABC, and key lock will all be locked onto the large box. You will place the key for the key lock inside of the small box and lock the small box with the color lock. Now you will enter the Google folder and start printing out some of the resources. For the Hufflepuff puzzle number 1, there is a part 1 and 2. You can print those on one sheet double-sided or print them out each single-sided and glue them together. Then you will want to cut them, the one singular page, into jigsaw puzzle pieces or strips so that the students have to form a puzzle in order to read the math problems on the back side of the puzzle. They will need to put the Hufflepuff crest together and then flip the page over so that they can solve the puzzle to unlock the lock. Then you will need to print the other resources. There's the Ravenclaw puzzle number 2, where they're going to be solving problems for math using words, and then solve the color lock with those dots on the left-hand side. Then you will print out the Slytherin puzzle, which is a maze that they will find their way through, solve the problems in order, and their answers will be the code to the 4-digit lock. Then you will need to also print out the Gryffindor puzzle, which is Morse code. They will look at the Morse code key, which is below, and you will also print that. They'll use the key and solve the puzzle. Then you will scatter all the puzzles and codes on the table. Outside of the classroom, you will form groups of 4 to 5 students. Let them inside, review the rules, and set the timer to 45 minutes. Once they're done solving all the problems, unlocking the boxes, hopefully, towards the end they will be able to see the victory sign, take pictures, post them, and I would like to see them when you're finished. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy playing Race to the Hogwarts Scavenger Hunt Cup.